How we doing? Try to do a thumbs up in a boxing glove then, that's not going to work. Trust me, this is a thumbs up. Okay? So, watching you, dog. Dogs are outside, they're looking at my camera going, oh, I could eat that, or lick it or something. Cheeky animals. Right. Moving on from the last combination, if you saw, that's brilliant. Okay, but it went round kick, drop, shallow side kick, okay, in sort of a sparring-esque combination or connotation. This one is moving on from that. We're going to still hit that round kick. We're going to land it kind of sideways on because I want to pop up a second kick, and it's going to be a hook kick. Okay. The style that we do is freestyle taekwondo. This combination and most of the combination I'm doing can apply to more than one style. Notice I'm just saying hook kick as opposed to heel kick, because I know some people will go heel first, some people will go head or body, and some people will go bottom of the foot and pull off from a sport heel kick. Depends on your contact level and what you allow in your competitions, etc. So, again, starting from here, we're going to shoot in that round kick. Any round kick and foot variation you like, depending on how you start and what point in your sparring you're at. Okay, but you shoot the round kick first off the front leg. We're going to land sideways on, and then pop up that heel kick. Okay, but I do want the touchdown in between. Okay, only reason I want that the touchdown in between is so you get used to going kick down bounce. Okay, use the floor as almost like a little springboard to pick your foot back up, rather than going kick, plant, reshuffle, second kick. Because then it's not really a combination, that's two individual kicks because you took too long in between. Okay? So, do a couple of them, again, try a round kick, hook kick, 1 pop, 2, and down. Okay, notice that was the sport one, did the bottom of the foot, I might change it mid-drill just so you can see slight differences. Okay, we'll go round kick, and down. Now, depending on if you're hitting, if you've got a partner with target, or you've got a bag, or you're kicking air, obviously you can mix and match whether your round kick is body or head, and you can mix and match whether your hook kick is body or head. Your choice, doesn't matter. Okay, but you bounce around, 1, 2 body kicks, body and a head kick, head followed by body kick, and of course the double head kick either side. Okay, but regardless of footwork for your kicks as you lead in, and regardless of whether you're going body or head, that touchdown in between wants to be fast. Okay, as soon as your foot hits the floor, it wants to be thinking about popping back up again. Yeah, it is not planting and then resetting. Okay, it is too slow, it's too laboured, it means you've got too much weight on the front foot. Okay, one of the little things that I say sometimes about this sort of thing is the reason I say about planting, literally like a plant or a tree or something. If you plant your foot and it's definitely not like a plant, it's going to grow roots. You kind of get bogged down and stuck down. Okay, you need to be quick. It's got to be 1 pop. Yeah, as soon as you make contact with 1, you want to get to 2 as fast as you can. Don't dawdle, don't wait. Get 2. Okay, really, really good for quick kicking combinations. Okay, that's that detail for today. That's the combination. Next one, we're moving on. Have fun.